This is for class 9 English grammar. So today's question you all can take down. Okay, take down the question. Choose and write the correct words to complete the following sentences. It was funny to see the dog chasing dash own tail. So which is the correct option? Its own tail. Okay, so now let us read it again and see. It was funny to see the dog chasing its own tail. So option D is the correct option from this. Moving towards the next question. You will do well dash you work hard. Okay, so you will do well if you work hard. If is the correct option. It suits also. Option A is the correct option. Moving towards the next question, that is okay. It was sad to see that dash helped the old man. Nobody. Okay, because sad word is mentioned, so you will write down nobody. Okay, let me write down over here. So option B is the correct option. Let me read again. It was sad to see that nobody helped the old man. She is very good dash singing. She is very good dash singing. She is a very good at singing. So option C is the correct option, at. Okay, so you'll have to put a correcting, insert a correct one over here and write down. Thanks for watching.